Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a glitter pink and white set. You don't really see pink and white too much these days, but I still love it. I think it's timeless, it's quick, it's easy, and if you get bored with it, no better way to zhuzh it up than by adding some glitter. I've already prepped the nails, applied my tips, cut them down to my desired length, and I'm going to start off by going in with this clear iridescent glitter mix. You may not be able to see the glitter right there, but trust me, it's there. And I'm going to apply it to all the tips. Next, I'm going to take this pink iridescent glitter mix and apply it to all the nail beds. Now I'm going to go in with these clear iridescent scales with a little bit of clear acrylic and apply them all over the ring fingernail. Then I'm going to encapsulate the entire nail in clear acrylic and top it off with a bow. All right, that's it. Putting a little sparkle on a classic. I hope you liked this look. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get a notification as soon as I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.